All right, tell me if I'm wrong. We made the hire for the new receptionist. We know they're good. We're the one that hired them. Yet, we know that it's really hard to do that job. As an owner, be a really good boss by providing the tools that your employees need to do their job better and ultimately serve your customers. The story of how I got introduced to my vet client. Called them up and I got no answer. So I called again and I called again. I actually called 3 times. I drive over to the vet. The receptionist isn't even at the front. And this is the thing that I found out by hearing this story from this vet. And honestly, in many small businesses, I used to run a small business. It's very hard in a small practice or a small business to delegate as many tasks to one role as possible. Oftentimes, somebody who's sitting at the front desk is taking on more than just a front desk role. And we scratch our heads trying to make sure that they stay busy, but at the same time trying to make sure that they're doing their job well. This receptionist was actually great. You know, he does a great job. And of course, I had to ask if he knew that it took me 3 times to schedule this appointment. He knew it was something that might have been a problem in his business. I could kind of tell that he didn't really know how to handle this problem. And I think probably a lot of us deal with this where it's something that we know is a problem, something that we know we have to address inside of the practice or inside of the business. However, we never actually get around to it. It's something that makes a big difference for our customers. For me, it would have been a lot easier if I could have just had that vet appointment booked and ready to go on the first call. I struck up a conversation with the veterinarian, told him that I have an AI agency, said that he had heard about AI voice. That was the beginning of that relationship. Mohammed and I ended up getting on a call. We ended up talking through what the necessary questions that needed to be asked at an initial intake when a new customer calls in. If it wasn't a new customer, what were the decisions that needed to be made and mapped out in order for the agent to do a good enough job. Mohammed understood the agent was not designed to replace the receptionist. It was actually there to help the receptionist do her job better. She could now take care of other things that Mohammed needed her to do to take care of the people who are in the waiting room. Intake forms over there, payroll, probably other things that he's asking her to do that aren't the best use of his time. If this is something that you're interested in and you'd like to maybe book a call or maybe just hit the link below and check out a demo of this thing. We would love to talk to you about these. These AI agents can do all kinds of things from voice to email. But for this particular one, it's a voice agent that answers the phone for your veterinary clinic, and it does a great job. Hit the link below. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.